Hello and welcome to this video. There's a new Lego City magazine out. It comes with two epic toys, minifigure plus Fire Bulldozer and extra set. And actually, when I was looking at them, so you know, it's Lego City issue number 88. It was $6.99, and you had a choice of the second toy. It was either a little helicopter, which is cool, and or it was a little police car. And I thought, oh, I've got a little police car, so I'll go with a helicopter, and then this little fire bulldozer. So let's have a look at the toys and see what they look like. Here he is, the built minifigure. Got printing on his top and legs. Give him that fireman outfit, and he's got the very brightly coloured helmet, and the back is printed as well. The vehicle's pretty cool. It's small, but it's got the big wheels and it's got the bulldozer front. And I quite like the yellow. They used that on the boat that I've got in the water, so it matches up nicely. That's my my fire crew in the bright yellow now. Bright red, strong red, bright yellow. Here it is, knocking away this bit of fiery dirt. And the other one is here, the little helicopter with the two blades. I might add two more blades to that actually, but it looks quite nice. Got that yellow and blue again, bright yellow, nice. And the minifigure's got the printing on the front. I like the helmet. Helmet's cool, and you've got the got a moustache, beard. I think it's printed on the back as well. I'm pretty sure it is. Let's get him out. He's quite snugly fit in there. Yeah, it's on the back as well. The radio and the badge, little pocket. It's a nice minifigure, isn't it? I do like the Lego City minifigures. And yeah, in his little helicopter, it's landed there. He's going to go get some fish and chips from the chippy. And so yeah, both pretty cool minifigures with their little vehicles. Go nicely in the city. So if you're looking for a couple additions to your city, the magazine Lego City 88, this is what comes with it. I like it when there's two minifigures and two vehicles. It's cool. I'm glad I went for the helicopter rather than the police car. So yeah, they're looking nice. Thanks very much for watching this one, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.